Who's Leaving the House, episode 3, Joseph Dari Love Show. Let's see what happens.
After connecting,
Chat. And if chat, I'm really sorry though, if what? Chat, I'm really sorry though, if my mic is bad.
I disconnect the connection. So that means when they're connecting, I have to come because the next challenge is to disconnect them.
You're about to change your person. You're about to change your...
I'm sorry, suppose, because I just did a watch along. And at the end of the match, it just started doing its thing. But I said, let me give it a chance.
What to swap?
Side, he can't keep his underpants still, and I just can't. No, andimfuni cha funeka ube used ekulahlweni mnqundu.
Ngitshela ukuthi uyangithanda wesidudle simnyama ngiyifuna intombi yakho. Ayikho into engizoyenza mina.
Welcome to date night in the afternoon though, and after that little altercation and that very complicated love triangle, we just decided to switch things up a bit for the first 2 dates.
Damn, bro has cut a zip. He's locked in with the trend. You know he's a different type of passenger. He has a cut a zip. And he lost that bitch for a reason. Look what he has now. Something better. God is good. God is so good.
Akehlangane sobabili inhliziyo yakhe iphukile kakhulu isoka lakho nje ubulithanda noma mhlawumbe obukhombisa ukuthi ukhona into ebeni yakhe nobabili ayihlangane yabo.
Mina bengitshela ukuthi izingelosi zihlala ezulwini bengingazi ukuthi nasemhlabeni ziyatholakala.
Hayi sikhona ke.
Cha ntokazi engizama ukusho ukuthi umuhle. Impelele. Oh impela cha. Kodwa angazi ngaphambi nje ukuba ngichaze ngendlela engijabule ngayo ngokuthi ube lapha ngwami angazi uyiphethe into ogcoka umlomo ntokazi.
This nigga is such a menace. He has to be stopped. I don't know what's happening. The episode is Who's Leaving the House. I think they're doing elimination. But this nigga is such a menace, and he might get the 20K. That's the thing. He might get it.
No. Okay, but I'm ekhona ile uyibonayo now.
Ngiyabonga.
Kanye nami inhliziyo yami iphukile kodwa ke ngicabanga ukuthi ngoba inhliziyo zethu zombili ziphukile kukhona okungahlangana ngoba
this nigga has no sauce. No sauce. Dog, it's a 1v1. You have the baddest bitch in terms of looks and body T. Her body is so t-shirt. I don't even lie. But this nigga, long day.
Babili siphukile kukhona umuntu ongapholisa omunye amanxeba kube ngcono.
It's so unfortunate because I'm still healing. And excited futhi ngisanalo ithemba lokuthi usazobuya.
Wazi wakhuluma kamnandi nkosazana iphimbo lakho lihle.
Ngiyabona.
Uyindoni yamanzi yazi. Umuhle nkosazana.
Nakho kuncane kuphathele kona. Nje ngibonga isikhathi sakho ukuthi ungenzele isikhathi.
This nigga is wanted by everyone. Nah, what mood is this nigga using?
Engizama futhi ukusho ukuthi ngiyaxolisa mama ngendlela mhlawumbe izinto ezenzeke ngakhona. Liya ukuthi man uyazi inhliziyo yayiphakela. Mase ngisothandweni uthando kweliyalwelo.
Usothandweni?
Sengihlukumezeke kakhulu. Mhlawumbe uthando bengazi ukuthi lizofika ngalendlela ngihlulekele kuyibamba. Phinde futhi ungixoxele sokweni lakho ukuthi ngihlaba ulevel insimi esihlakuliwe.
Sengijwayele ukuzwa lokho.
Ngiyazi ukuthi intombi enhle iqoma la ithanda khona. Kodwa yazi ke inkinga ayigcini la ithanda khona. Ngakho ke noma ungamthanda kanjani umfana ngeke ugcine kuyena uma ungekho kuyena. Kodwa umfana ugcina yena la athanda khona. Mina ngifuna ukugcina kuwena. Ngifuna ube isiphetho sami. Ngifisa ube injabulo enhle yokugcina empilweni yami.
Ngifila ngathi yodwa ubhuti uyisifebe ke kodwa.
Engizama ukusho ukuthi ngiyakuthanda. Ngiyafisa ukuphila nawe ngunaphakade.
Intombi yakho yona?
Bengicela ungangenzi inhlebe. Simnyeke mana. Ongekho
ukuthi simnyeke kanjani?
Lokho sizokulungisa. Bengicela sinakele lesikhathi sethu njengamanje. Angeke uzuyisole.
Uyofika umunye ahambe omunye kodwa ngenzeke linqama uthando ngesimanga sokuthi ngipholwe inhliziyo ngomuntu ongangithandi.
Yini le ngake sebenza ngicabanga ukuthi uyangithanda ngaleyo ndlela.
Indlela okhuluma ngayo.
Don't lie, dog. You don't love this lady. You saying you love her because you don't have a bitch now. And if you don't have a bitch, you risk the chance of what? Getting eliminated and losing what? 20 bags. So this nigga trying to be smart and shit. He's not that guy. He's not that guy, dog. They took your lady in front of you and you couldn't do shit. Sorry about that, but it's life.
Nendlela uzazi ngayo. Ngibuke ngingathi kwenzeka lonke lo ntwesho ipride yakho uyazazi ukuthi wena ufanelwe awudingi ukuthi uze ulwele umuntu.
Ubona ukuthi ngifanele wena pho?
Ngicela unginike inhliziyo yakho mama.
Ndawubuza ubona ukuthi ngifanele.
Ngikufanele mama.
Yini engakenzi ukuthi ushiye ugeli wakho wama-baby ale like for mina. Yini?
Hey, ngibese ngicelile ntombi. Ngicela ungangenzi umuntu okhuluma ngabantu kubanye abantu.
No, but angithi siyakhala. So kumele ukuthi ngazi ukuthi inhloso zakho zikephi. Awukwazi ukuthi asiyeke yonke into nje siyayeka wena nje yonke into yeke.
Cha, inhloso zami ngawe. Ngiyazi ukuthi awuyena umakhe ana. Kodwa bengifisa ukuthi ungilekelele ngiyokwakhe kithi. Mhlambe ngelinye lamalanga umuntu uma indlula abone lapha emagcekeni okomntungu ukuthi kunomuntu wesifazane. Uyabona le mbalo yiyona. Bengifisa ukuthi uqhakaze mhlambe ngukhe ngiyokutshala emagcekeni akokhumalo. Uqhakazise nezizwe zomzili kaSigamashobane.
Uthando lolufunayo.
Awusasho nokuthi nje on the first date uphathi gift nyana ukhombisa ukuthi yabo.
Inkinga angifisi ukuthi noma ngabe ubuthiwa mhlambe ke angifisi ukuthi ungithandele into enginayo bengifisa ukuthi ungithande mina qobo. So uma ngabe ubuzothanda izinto ebengizoyiphatha ubone uthande mina. So nkosazana ngithemba ukuthi uyolithola uthando olufisayo ngoba ngeke ngizenze omunye umuntu. Umuhle nkosazana.
Ngiyabonga.
Ngiyabonga nangesikhathi sakho ongiphe sona.
Asibonge. I'm sorry ukuthi bangikhona kodwa mina mina.
No hayi. Ayikho inkinga ngoba
Sebe la uzobathola aba-right for wena. Abazokuthanda ngoqiniso.
What I hate about her is before the show they said she's the one that cheated. And now she's acting all like a victim. But you're the one that started that thing. Now when they're doing it to you, now it's like, oh, what, but I still love him, like, bitch.
I mean, I don't think I'm the right one for you.
Kepha mina mangathiwa mina nawe mhlambe manje siba nomntwana. Hey mama man ngeke.
Uzoba nomntwana.
Cha, hayi ukuthi ngifuna umntwana ntokazi. Kodwa mangathiwa mina nawe uNkulunkulu umuntu wesithathu kuthina hayi. Ngendlela engisha ngayo ngothando lwakho. Anginankinga mina nokuthi ngibe ubaba umntanakho. Engonaphakade. Hey weLusanda ngikuthandile bathi ngesilungu I love you. I love you so much.
But if you don't have a job, don't make some dumbass promises, chat. That's what they say.
So menza. Man. Bana, usungitshela ukuthi awunankinga ukuthi
awusho ngoyini ukuthi ufuna umntwana?
Hayi ukuthi ngifuna umntwana ngiyamcela kuwena.
Asamsomenza ke.
Khona manje. Kodwa amajazi omkhonyana angazi ngwaphatha.
Angithi senza umntwana.
Awunankinga. Wentokazi angiyithandi imoto izivini nogijima ngaso kakhulu ibhende leli uzoshayisa. Ngabe uneshow yini ngalento ukuthi ngempela uyafisa ukuba nami?
Angikhuluma into engayicabanganga.
Kunento engikubekele yona lapha egumbeni. Ungazi ukuthi mhlambe ngigijima sokufaka into ecijile.
Vele like usufuna abantwana. Uyagijima la.
Awuzukulamba kodwa. La kokhuma luzophakelwa ke. Into engifuna ukuthembisa yona. Phansi naphezulu.
And with those 2 dates sort of done, let's
bro, that nigga's too horny, chat. He's horny, chat. And he has to be stopped. And he's like, yeah, nah, it's not like I want to put it, you that thing. But you do want to
move on to the rest of our couples.
Fani kale?
Kalele. Tibonakala kancane.
Ngiyathola. Ngifuna ukudlisa ngenye indlela, not le indlela.
Ale ndlela le.
Ibona la ndlela ethi khapho.
Yeah.
Ngisaka.
Wena ngikutshela nawe indaba ngiyathi igora. Ngitshela ukuthi ngiyathi igora. Angithi ukuthi intathu incane.
Kutsho mina.
Kusho mina. Kanti usuku.
ngikhohlakele yazi and yazi afuna uxoxa akhange ndicinge uba izokwenzeka le nto eyenzekeleyo phakathi kwami nabaphezulu. Hayi wena uthe they're going to use a protection in the beginning.
Yeah.
And I told you that I'm not ready to have kids. And then I said, "Banyu come soon." So like, and then when I went and uphumile wathatha wayoqhumisa condom.
Cha, phela ungakhohlwa ngiphethe amacondom awuthi phela. And mina ke imvezo 2 mama ngiyayincane phela ngikwazi mina ngiqhubeke phela.
Ekuseni nje ngivuka ndabona iphepha ba. Why?
Cha ukuthi iqiniso mina kade ngifuna ukuzwa straight in flesh inyama. Nandi mawuzoyidla ngenyama manje lento ayifuni.
This is so weird, chat. Do you know how only if you just can't hear what they're talking about having sex and how this nigga went raw and shit and all that and that. Like how is that not weird, dog? That you have like how many cameras watching you? Like 3 cameras because 3 angles, I think. Nah, that's weird.
Manje mama, condom plastic fana ukudlala ngesandla. Ha.
Semandi ndenxa meter uzawuthi
ikhuleka mfethu songizalela yena ngithi
uzomphatha la.
Yebo.
So nizomzala and then wena umphathe.
Unenkinga mama. Qhubeka futhi.
Ukuthi uyathanda basi.
Kakhulu.
Ukuthi uyathanda.
Kakhulu.
What you did yesterday when I walked out, when I walked out to the pool,
yes, ma'am.
When I got back, I was told that you were lifting another woman on your back doing push-ups.
You were told by...
Can I finish?
Okay, you can.
Where else you did not do that to me? So what I'm going to do to you tonight, you are not going to sleep. You are going to do 10 to 20 to 25 push-ups, the same thing you did to her. Because you cannot, as my man, when I turn around, when I turn around, here you are, so if you want to continue, Edna, I love you, ne?
Yeah,
you love me.
I love you
too. Hi, ma. Say baby, case and
okay, ma'am.
Amel. If you want to continue with me, Anna, I think now we're gonna have to go my way because
the way, which way?
You have to do what I asked you to do tonight for dinner. You're gonna do push-ups as a 25. No, wait. More than 2 people can never lie about the same thing. But right now it shows that you're bafuna. I said let's not embarrass ourselves.
Okay, ma'am.
So, Nditiku, if you want us to continue with peace and love and joy, enjoyable and vibrant, whatever, darling, you're gonna have to lift my ass tonight, 25 days.
Okay.
Uzaliphakamisa namhlanje bona umuntu lo wami uzobamba uthi uzawujima uzaba ufuna ubili benguBaptista.
I won't lie, dog. You can be a scorer and all that, but bro, Chacho, you are not picking that. You are not picking that. You are not.
Manje liwe dude usangidinela. Kangakuchazela. Njani? Lento yenza ngichazela.
Why singenza izinto ezo?
Bra.
Like
okay, man.
Why is it so hard for you to even touch me?
Ngoba bengafuni ukuthi iqine la. Ufuna ukuthi yakho. Angifuni umuntu wami lo yani. Umshiya phambi kwakho. Buka ngichazela.
Smelling.
Ngizokuchazela manje phela ngichazela. Buka.
Chazela.
Ngumzulu yabo. Angifuni ngibheke kanjani.
Nami nomjangana.
Exactly. Yabo. Khona lento yokuthi amashanga yabo aphethe umlaka. So ngibona ukuthi ube
wait, no. This nigga's not Zulu. He's putting us down, chat. This nigga is actually saying, let me see. So she is Shangane, he is Zulu. So this nigga saying, they say Shangane niggas have big ones. So he's like, maybe he's insecure about his one, good or maybe my one is not as big as what as Amashangane, which is crazy, man.
Angifuni ukuthi
Oh, Manyana, Imanyana, that's a proper man.
Man.
Even if we wait for 7 years or nini, sisazohamba sefanayo.
Efanayo, but
asiyeve inkinga usafuna umuntu wakho. Si connected, bra.
It's not that deep connection yethu. We have to form a connection deep ukuze if awuyithandanga impahla yalo.
He's one of the good guys, and you know what they say, good guys finish last. If it was me, I'm hitting that same night. Not even playing, but 10 rounds, if I can pull them off.
Because
I'm not promising. Okay, Kabuze,
man.
Kiss me.
Bruh,
okay,
we're not gonna fix things.
Do you love me?
You know I do.
Then kiss me.
Bruh, we're not gonna fix things by doing lessons. Man. I'm not promising ukuthi my sex is good. Ngumzulu mfowethu sidume ngalaba. So angikwazi ukuthi ngithathe intombazane lalela phela. Angikwazi ukuthi ngithathe intombazane yomshangana. Angazi ukuthi wayiphi.
He's saying Zulu niggas have hell no. This nigga saying Zulu niggas have small penises. No. Brother, if you are insecure, don't talk about us. We as far as on, don't say we with the capital letters. I didn't say that's taking a fucking base, bro. Look at this guy. Now some niggas are just taking a piss, though. What do you mean about Zulu? Just say when you have a small one.
I have to make sure ukuthi by the time
why maybe sex nami then
no by the time sex was the connection deep engikwazi ukuthi ngeke ngilose because of round day 1 or 2 ufuna when I willing to risk the connection esinayo just because we rushed sex and then yangaba mnandi for
bani uthi sex imushizinto
no you are so
ewe bani bayehlelana mahlanga namuhla bafika bayehlelana kosi ukuthi uzoyikwehlana munwe
amuzi wehlelana
uzoyikwehlana kusho ngomntwana ngokongotlo namuntu kubona laba
ukhuluma kanjani
singawundi labi ngwana sesa man andike thamela kulapho hayi we nakuyehlela awulakwehlela
kanjani wowehla
okay shasimpulo shasimpulo dikis
ayilungisa kanjani izinto ayilungisa man oh
yeah this nigga's a bitch
yabona ukutshela ivarne i-potential ngiyayibona kuwe mfethu like ungikhulumela kahle.
Wait, what happened with the wig?
Unomoya phansi kodwa hayi ke ngikwazi mina ngale people lakhe lingavuki.
Kodwa la sando sami sadinga ukuthi sibambisane.
Ubambisana nami ukuthi uvukelwe.
This nigga he can't get a bone.
Nginayo indlela esengiyitholile ngiyenza ngayo ukuthi
manje leyo ndlela bohleleleni ungayipersuade all along.
Bengiphatha abhlungu yonke le nto leyo ngabuza kubafuthi abaningi bangiyalela ukuthi mhlambe khona into engenza ngayo ukuthi into kuyami ivuke.
As like for a Zulu guy it's very disappointing cause nje but anyways
she knows us. She knows us. Just saying.
So ngicela ukubuza usonta kaShembe?
Yebo njalo.
Okay ngibone ngemwele angazi ukuthi mhlambe maybe yimi ngithatha amawala kodwa hayi cha azibukeki izinhle kimi kodwa ungayihlisa nje ube agent gunde man siku 2025 buti
ngiyakuzwa mama ngizobona ukuthi ngimesa kanjani ngeinwele ngizozama ukuzinciphisa kancane ngoba ngithanda kodwa kubaluleka kakhulu ukuthi ungibekezelele kule nkinga yami yebibi ngiyakuthembisa ukuthi ngizophuza nanomdolofika izami into ukuthi
into ebengizibuza yona ke ukuthi kuma past relationship ubuwenza njani so wena uzilela ukuzofuna uthando mara into ebalulekile ku relationship yakudlula iyakhonakala mara mawuphuma endlini bocabangeni
busuyi wena ithemba lami
ithemba lakho
engibathulile abaningi lenkinga enginapha bengayibekezeleli
nama ngeke yini into ekenza ukucabanga ukuthi mina ngizoyibekezelela
ngiyacela sando sami cela ngiphendele
dog this nigga should go to I don't know a dentist or no not a dentist man it's a doctor or someone who fixes those problems because you can't go into a relationship when your shit doesn't it's always like this it doesn't
thuba ngilungisa iviki elilodwa nje ngizoyilungisa mama
hayi wazi wabona umampintsha ke
ngiyakuthanda kakhulu
Awukwazi ukungithanda mfethu.
Ngizojima ke futhi bese ngiyehla kancane ke emzimbeni. Ngibe le ndodo oyifunayo. Ngikubambe ngamancane.
Hayi, ngathi kuzomela ukuthi nje ngitshela uJoseph ukuthi ngizokhetha futhi ngoba hayi ngathi akulungi la ekhaya.
Akwazi ukuthi phela manje njalo. Uthini ngenhliziyo yami singiholele kuwena. Ngiyithembe senginalo lokuthi mhlawumbe uzokwazi ukuthi sibambisane kwa yonke le nkinga.
Most of the men here are taking L's, dog. L after L after L.
Nginayo.
Hey, but ngicela ukuthi like angazi like uthola usizo like abantu mabahamba ama-men's clinic wena u-investa ku-in like wenzani?
Njengomfana kwaZulu ngikholelwa ekutheni
imbiza uzokushaya.
Hayi khona umdolofia.
Umdolofia loyo mdolofia ola lo uhleleleni ungawuthathi like yini?
Ngizowuthatha ngenxa yakho ngoba angifuni ukulahlekelwa wena. Ngiyakuthanda kakhulu.
Into ozama ukungichazela namanje ukuthi ubuhleli ola long ukuthi uzosima ubona mina bese khani ucela ukwenza izinto zenzeke. So bungalali tohonyana samwe sama bungalitholi.
Bengilithola kodwa phela sometimes esibili round bengashayeki.
Alivuki at all. Ngicela ungasukeli round 2.
Libuye livuke singesami.
No, alivuki baba. Like alivuki.
Mpho ke kopa untshwarele kanje.
She's wow. That tall ass nigga vibe.
Motshiare. Wa tseba maikutlo a ka man a ntse ko ona hana man. Ke tletse ke ntshina no ke se ka wa matla wena. Mbe ke hatelle maikutlo a ka wena.
But what you did wasn't cool because you saw Horenale, my partner, we weren't in a good place. And you decided that you're going to take advantage of that. And you made it seem as if Naseke Jolal went up already, whereas that wasn't the case.
No, I get it.
Yeah, but like, read the room. You could see, like, things went great. And then when now you just added Ipetrol to Lomlilo, why would you do that?
Gore neke gore ohlo ke ne ke batla gore ohlo tsebe nnete motho ane ke mogotsi ya ka ne eneno gona la banna ba ile gore ke o potela la bone.
Okay, so
ke nnete re o ratana la banna ba ba.
So when o shela batho ba ba gotsi ba hao, is that the kind of person that you
is an element? So that's what it. If that was your friend, why you going for the same maid he had?
No tlo gala ko bile litlo. Le pele ibile o rometswe ke nna wena motho.
So nina bendlala game kahle
kahle. Re bapale game nna kutlwila rona le maikutlo jwale ke la ka utlwa puonyana ya go e kareng e ya ntshosanyana go and then ka fumana sentse go bona gore ai motho ene ke motho ke mo batla.
Ne go tshosa in which aspect?
Ai ha o no bua le ene mo ke tshonyana. No,
so are you trying to say I was bullying my man?
Ha ke be.
Dog, your matey is speaking English, chat. His matey is speaking English. And this nigga is busy speaking Tswana. There's nothing wrong with that. But think about it, dog. Show her that, okay, I can also go to the levels that you have. Or maybe even pass. Or maybe even go higher, chat.
Ka mo go bua nga teng le ka mo gana thuthumela ka teng jwale ka fumana gore
So njengoba uthi yangifuna, are you saying that when you'll be able to deal with that?
Nka etsa o matleng aka
mangakushaya
mara a motho ka buya motho mo le tsoma.
You just said no ngthaba though.
No, ke ne ke tshaba ka mogong o bua nga teng.
So you don't feel like I'm a threat, like you don't feel like ngakbonya manje.
Ai yena ke asento ke etshaba yena.
Maro awe ukuthi umdala.
What?
That's it.
So what's good? Hi guys.
Hi.
Yeah. Ish. I'm not here with the nice news, eh? But before I say without the nice news, can we just clap our hands for ourselves? You guys kept the place clean. You guys, at least there's humanity. Yeah, Pella, not for too long, guys. In this segment, what we wanna do is what we call elimination. So if you you and your partner didn't get to give us what we feel like you guys can move with as a relationship out of this whole thing. I'm gonna call you guys forward. No, actually, couple 3, come forward. Yeah. Hi guys. So our problem here, ne? We eliminating you guys now. I'm sorry, it's not bad, right? But the only reason is because you guys don't connect. I don't feel like, I think you just want to have someone, but you're not.
It's all because of this nigga. It's all because of this nigga. Oh, he's an element. He lost 20 bags. Actually, he lost 10 bags because I'm thinking they were gonna share it. Yeah, he's a dick.
Really into someone. Yeah, my sister, she's there for the love, Shem, but the problem is she's with the partner. So what happens in the left happens on the right hand side.
Get it.
Yeah, so can you guys leave us? And yeah, thank you for your time. Thank you for your time. Can I have couple 2 standing forward? This couple, right? My problem is one with you guys. Is that you guys don't know each other and you guys are not a couple. So you guys can sit down. We go into the next one. Let's go. Can I have couple number 4? Actually, you guys go back. 6. Not sit down, just stand there. Couple number 6. I feel like you guys have that moment where you guys are connecting, and then, yeah, there's a connection. Do you see it, Mfugeng? Mato. Okay, you guys can sit down. Couple number 1. You guys just met now. There was a Haruru. I was not here. I just saw by the cameras, the videos, that there was a Haruru. But now
I think she looks large. I don't even lie. She looks large, and she is smart. It's just that she has like some other names. I don't think now she's playing for love. She thinks she's playing for money.
You guys, what I've just observed is that you guys would like to go with each other. Literally, I'm judging based on the dates, the dates you guys had, right? How connective you guys had got since you guys got in the house. So with you guys, since, yeah, Mara, Udumate. Udumate, ne? So you guys, cause it's a new one, and then you guys just cooked it now. I'd say sit down. It's good. Sit down.
Oh, that body. See?
Can I have number 5? Oh, number 4. Sorry guys, sorry. I play rough. So here we have a problem of overfare and insecurities based on our points. She's at the high point. The problem is this relationship and that one is the same thing. The problem is that the one part is the one that's holding the power and the points. So I'd say they should sit down because he has more powers and then it's helping him to still stay. Because if we eliminate him, because he's a Febe, and then we leave her, who is she gonna date? What if this Febe is good for him? Yeah. You never know, right? But next Februarist, that means he's affecting the girl, right? If he favors here, he's affecting the girl. They are getting eliminated without any means of like stand up or what. The last couple. So here, right? I feel like they are controlling you, my brother. And then you don't have that power to tell her what's what. I feel like she's above you. I don't know if you understand me. I feel like, yeah. And also, you know how the date went. It didn't go well. And then we had to know what you're carrying in the pants, which is we didn't need to know. You see? So they can't go.
You see, these people are setting themselves up, dog. Me, if I had a partner and I was going to the date, I was gonna say, baby, even if we don't love each other, even if there's no connection between each other, but where we're going, there's gonna be like 4 or 5 cameras, and we need to have a connection. Because we need to get these 20 bags. Because if you don't get this 20K,
the relationship is not love at love thing, it's not connecting. Yeah, so I don't think you guys will go to the next round next time. Thank you guys. So with the couples that we left with, right? This is when now the game starts. We didn't tell you guys, we didn't tell them, we didn't tell no one. We just wanted you guys to fall in love or just connect, have that connection, deep connection with other people. We know that this is new, that is new, but we're trying to give it we give everyone a point or like a chance to connect. If then is failing, then yeah. So the main objective of the show, I know, you see, working with someone who's high always is a problem, but the main, I forgot to tell you guys, but the main objective of the show is to fall in love and with your partner, get that 20,000. But none of you guys here, with the partners that you guys have here, had stayed with the partner that you guys have stayed with from the beginning. So you guys all have the same point. You get what I mean? But if this couple stayed, they would have the highest point right now. So you guys can stand up, clap hands for yourselves. So on our next movement, what we're looking for is to see you guys connecting. We see you guys building more of this, whatever this partnership that you guys trying to do. And then, yeah, nonetheless, congratulations, guys. But it's not your person, my sister. Stop hiking him. He made you win.
With eliminations done, things are obviously a bit tense. So to loosen the mood a bit, let's move on to games night where we have spin the bottle with pre-written dares.
You know 1 minute heaven. Yes, for 1 minute. Thank you, God. It's a game.
No, let's just put it
what is pro ruining it? Dog, if I'm this nigga right now, I'm not looking for love no more. I just want that 20K.
Yeah, but it's 20 and a half. Yeah, that's a night letter than the ass.
No, because we're going to put your hand
Man, but who's the one that looked at the toilet? Man, never to win.
But should be a Zizo card up and I'm asking the we asked the guys and put him in the house. I'm going to look at him to understand today. I need to ask him. I need to you 1 minute in heaven. He 1 minute in heaven. He might 1 minute in heaven. Yes.
One.
Yes.
They were not going to learn. How about him? He 1 minute in heaven. You have a point. Yes. What's on? What
the The show is in What? Mama Sende. Double video by Joseph Dari. Mama Sende. Oh no. It's like these people are ruining it for themselves, though. These people are actually ruining it for themselves, chat. Cause if I was these niggas, dog, I was gonna say, okay, I see it's okay, these people aren't my types, or these people don't want me. Okay, let me just tell them it's okay, dog. Let's not go crazy and shit. Let's just keep quiet, connect, and act like we're dating or something like that. Or we'll just get a connection later on. Cause it's 20k at there's a 20k price, dog. They can both get 10k. Then they can go both of different ways. Or unless they've actually like gotten that you can that love. But yeah, W video by Joseph, that is always chat. I need to be in that season, chat. Must I DM that nigga Joseph, chat? Chat, I have to DM him. I have to DM next episode. I have to DM that nigga, dog, on Instagram. I don't know if he will see it. The chances are 0 to none, but